The lion who forgot he was king. In a dense jungle, a lioness gave birth to a cub. Tragically, she passed away right after the birth. As fate would have it, a flock of sheep passed nearby. The helpless lion cub, lost and confused, joined the sheep without hesitation. It began living among them, blending into their world. Instead of hunting, it grazed on grass. It never once thought about roaring, not understanding what it meant to be a lion. Surrounded by the sheep, the cub began to think it was one of them. Years passed, and the cub grew into a young lion. Yet, it still believed it was a sheep. One day, an old lion spotted the young lion walking with a flock. The old lion couldn't believe his eyes. A lion living with sheep? He decided to approach and understand what had happened. With a burst of strength, the old lion attacked the sheep, sending them fleeing. The young lion, frightened, ran alongside them. After a brief chase, the old lion caught up to the young lion, who was trembling with fear. "Please," the young lion begged. "I am just an ordinary sheep. Let me go." The old lion was stunned. He had to understand what was happening. Gently, he nudged the young lion toward a river and said, "Look into the water." The young lion gazed at its reflection in the calm water. It was shocked to see that it was not a sheep. It was a lion, just like the old lion. In that moment, the young lion realized its true nature. Filled with a new sense of awareness, it opened its mouth and let out a mighty roar that echoed across the jungle. For the first time, the young lion felt its true power. The truth hit the young lion. It had been living under an illusion. It wasn't a weak sheep. It was a lion, full of strength. Living as a sheep was never its reality. It had only been a mental trap. This realization was life-changing. This story holds a powerful message. You may feel trapped by the limitations society places on you. Like the young lion, you might believe you're weak or incapable. But just like the lion, once you recognize your true potential, you will unleash the power within you. Don't let fear or doubt define you. Rise above the noise. Embrace your strength, and let your roar be heard. The lion who forgot he was king.